Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a holiday makeup New Year's Eve kind of look, so the look I've gotten at the moment. Yes, so I just wanted to show you guys how I created this look, so stay tuned. Also, thank you to all my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It'll really help my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's get into the video. I've got my hoops on, all ready to be all golded out, so let's go. This look is going to be very glowy, very glam, very New Year's Eve, very glitzy, very glittery. I like glitz and glitter. This video probably isn't for you, but still very wearable look. You can just take off the glitter. I'm just using this primer. I think it's quite a glowy primer, so I'm going to be using it. Obviously I'm staying at home, but I do want it to be quite full coverage, so yeah, it's New Year's, you know, we want to get glam, want to get fresh, so let's go. I'm going to be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Everything will be linked below, and I'm just going to pop this on my skin. This looks red as well today, but we'll make it work as I always do. This look I actually saw on Instagram and I was like, this look is a bit of me. It's basically a golden eye and a nude lip. My go-to really when I'm going out. So, and it is a glam look, but it doesn't look heavy, and that's what I like, so that's what we're going for. I'm actually filming this on New Year's Eve and I'm getting it up to you guys today. Fingers crossed, so. In case some of you are able to go out, you know, you can create this look. If you want to wear it at home, you can absolutely do that. I'm actually going to use an oldie but goodie. It's my MAC Prolongwear concealer in NW50. I haven't used this in such a long time, but I thought, why not? And I go quite heavy under my eyes because the baggage that is there is crazy. This is NW50, I think, but it feels so light. But anyway, make it work as always. And I always take the excess onto my lid and all the way up to my eyebrow to cancel out any color. I do my makeup in such a weird, not in a weird order, but I just apply my makeup in a very weird way, but it always looks presentable. So if it works, it works. I forgot how amazing this concealer is, to be honest. You already know, around my mouth. Here. This look is very quick and very easy, to be honest. It's very beginner friendly. Right, onto eyebrows. I've actually been using my coffee pencil from MAC, which is actually my lip pencil, but I've been using it on my eyebrows because I can't be bothered with all the extra. And because my hair is a little bit lighter, it's a bit more auburn. Let's add a bit of a brown hue to my brows, so. I don't know what's going on with my forehead. Like, it's just so, I don't know, like it's going so dry. I've been using this new stuff from The Ordinary, the mandelic acid, and I think it's drying my skin out. Because it is acid after all, but I don't know. I feel like my makeup is not sticking. It's It's not sticking to my forehead properly, but I'll work on it. I've got some time at home, so I will be hydrating my skin somehow. Yeah, so my brows are done. Let's get onto the eyes. Use this shade here. I'm just gonna blend this brown shade into my crease. Doesn't have to be neat. Just trying to get some shape. And the same on the other side. I'm going to use my Icons palette, and I'm just going to use this brown. It's like a deep brown, and I'm just going to pop it on top to lighten it a bit. So I'm basically going to use, I'm thinking maybe to use, I want it to be quite gold. Let me just see. I'm just going to use this gold and pop it on my lids with my finger. It's very gold. Any gold shadow you have or any pigment will be great for this. And just pop it in the inner, pop it in the inner 2/3. Like always, go back in with your brown and just soften the creases. You don't want it to look harsh. Just going to use a black liquid liner. This one's from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a Feline flick, and just going to do my flick. You want it quite high up because you want your eyes to look like, you know, like so. And I don't take it all the way in, I just take it on the outer part. I'm just gonna add some glitter on top. So you can leave it like this if you want to, but I'm gonna add some glitter on top. And I'm just going to use the pop shade from my Sofia palette. It's basically a glittery gold. And I'm just gonna pop it there. Like so. This is very glittery, love it. Gonna put some mascara on. Right, so we basically want to make the under eyes look a bit more bright now. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I normally use this for around my brows, but I've been using underneath my eyes just to brighten. So I'm going to use some of this. I'm ready for a holiday. I've been watching so many vlogs of people on holiday. Hopefully soon we'll go back to normal. And we can all go on holiday and all just go out. We can all just go back to normal. Like so. Then to set my under eyes, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match powder. And I'm just going to use that underneath the eyes like so. You already know I love this. I love this powder. I don't want to keep it too matte though, because we do want it to look kind of glowy as well. And then to bronze, I'm going to use my Revolution bronzer. I absolutely love this bronzer. It's my favourite bronzer of the year. But I got it as a replacement for my favorite Makeup Revolution one, but oh, this one is just a bit darker and it's so much nicer for my skin tone. So I still love the other one, don't get me wrong, but this one is just bang on for my skin. Like, can you see how it's just made me look like sun-kissed? I'm going to use a bit of highlighter as well, just to make my skin glow. I'm not really a highlight girl, but I'm actually going to use this shade, I think. It's quite bright, but... to make my skin glow a bit. Who doesn't like to glow? Not sweat, but glow. We like to glow. I feel like everyone is completely gone off highlighter at the moment, but I'm sure it will make an appearance. It will come back. I'll do a bit on my Cupid's bow. This highlighter is beautiful though. Put down in the description box everything I use, as always. I'm just going to use some blush in the same palette. It's like a really soft pink, nothing too crazy. I love how glowy my skin looks. This is going to be the best bit, lips. This is going to be a nice lip. It's going to go really nicely with the eye. So I'm using my coffee lip pencil again. I do like to press quite hard as well, so I get that definition. Then I'm going to use my After Hours liquid lipstick from NYX. I'm going to go back in with the lip pencil. Right, so that's the lip. It's a bit matte, it's a bit too dry for me. I'm going to use my Champagne Diamonds lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury. If you have any glittery gloss at home, please bring it out for this look. See how glittery that is. I'm just gonna pop some lashes on and I'll be right back. Yes, I actually decided to leave the lashes, guys, because I thought, you know, it looks quite nice how it is, and I think sometimes lashes just take away from, you know, the look. But I did pop on some setting spray. But yeah, how do you find the look? It's very glowy, it's very goddessy, very New Year's Eve. Yeah, overkill again with the top, but you know, I think this would be a really nice party look, a New Year's Eve look, any kind of occasion really, but it's quite glitzy, I think anyway. But as you can tell from the eyes. But yeah, I think it's a very nice look. It's very glowy, which I do like. It's not oily though, because I use a matte foundation. It's not gonna look like I've melted 2 minutes later, so that's always good. Yeah, that brings me to the end of this video. I wanted to get this up before New Year's, and to give you guys some inspo for New Year's Eve or New Year's or any parties you've got coming up, or just if you're staying at home in the living room and you want to look cute, because that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, thank you again for watching so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you again for all your support. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thanks again, guys, and see you in my next one.